kitchen. Today we are going to make a delicious and mouth-watering sweet of India, Kaju Pista roll. The outer cover of this is made with cashew nuts and they have a small filling of green pistachios inside. On the outside they might look a little difficult to make, but with this video and the easy steps shown in here, you will be able to make this recipe very easily at home and impress your family and friends. So let us begin by taking a look at the ingredients. For the filling you will need pistachios about 1/4 of a cup, cardamom powder a small pinch, powdered sugar 2 tablespoons, milk very little about half to 1 teaspoons and green food color which is optional to use. For the cover you will need cashews 1 cup, milk powder 3 tablespoons. It is completely optional to use the milk powder. Use it only if you want a little flavor of condensed milk or khoya in this Kaju Pista roll. Otherwise it is perfectly fine to omit the milk powder. Sugar 2/3 of a cup and little ghee or clarified butter only if needed to grease your hands. To prepare the filling, I have transferred the pistachio to a grinder jar and I am going to make it into a slightly coarse powder. Transfer this to another bowl and then add just a pinch of cardamom powder. Also add powdered sugar, little green food color which is optional to use, and now add very little, just maybe half to 1 teaspoon of milk. That should be enough to mix it together and make it soft just like a dough. This mixture becomes soft very quickly, so add milk little by little and now our filling is ready. Apply little ghee to your fingers and then divide this dough into 4 equal parts. Now let's keep this aside for some time and start preparing the outer cover. First we are going to grind the cashews into a very fine powder. Make sure that it is a very fine powder and absolutely no tiny pieces are left. If you are using the milk powder, then roast it a little just for about 1 or 2 minutes in a pan and then keep it aside. Now transfer the sugar to the same pan and add about half a cup of water. Turn on the heat, keep stirring it continuously and we have to allow it to boil first and then we are going to continue to boil it till we get a single string solution. Meanwhile, you can line a rolling board with a parchment paper and keep it ready. Continue to boil for a minute or so and then take a small drop between your thumb and your index finger and try stretching it. As soon as you see that this solution is no longer watery and it has started become sticky and you are able to stretch this into a single string, do not wait for the string to become really firm. As soon as you see that a single string is now getting formed, you can reduce the heat to low and add the powdered cashews. Now mix everything together. You can increase the flame a little bit, but you have to keep turning it and moving it continuously till it becomes thicker. After about 10 to 12 minutes of turning on a medium flame in this way, now you can see this has reduced to almost half of what it was earlier. It has started coming together as a lump and also it has started easily coming off the bottom of the pan. And when you notice that all this is happening, then turn off the gas. Now you can either transfer this pan to a cooler surface or you can transfer this entire mixture to another bowl. Here I am transferring it to another bowl. Now add the milk powder. Again I would like to remind that adding milk powder is completely optional. Only if you want a little flavor of condensed milk, then use the milk powder. Otherwise omit adding the milk powder completely. Now as this mixture starts cooling off, you have to keep turning it around so that it evenly cools and you have to wait till it becomes drier and softer just like a dough. When it becomes cool enough to touch with your hands, just try to bring it together and just roll it into a soft dough. Don't knead it too much, just turn it around a little bit. Now this dough like cashew mixture has become ready and we are going to roll it now. Split it into 2 equal parts, roll between your palms and press to flatten. Take one part first and keep the other covered. Now roll this gently and make it bigger and larger and thinner, just about a few millimeters thick. And now cut it into half. Now take one part of the filling that we prepared and roll it into a long cylinder. Now keep this cylinder of filling along the cut edge of one semicircle. Now roll this tightly into a cylinder. Make sure that the edges get completely sealed and also that it is evenly thick on all sides. And now cut this cylinder into about 2-inch big pieces. Now repeat with the other half and the second portion of the filling, and also with the rest of the dough and the rest of the filling. And our delicious Kaju Pista rolls are now ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy making this wonderful recipe at home. Do try it and let me know your feedback. Do not hesitate anytime to post questions or comments, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.